What is up, guys? The SchemaRabbit team here, helping you easily and quickly add schema markup to your website. In this case, we're using our own website. Click on Audit and you'll instantly see the scan progress going on for all of the different pages in your website. Here we're going one by one, so don't lose patience. We're doing an in-depth review of your website, of your business, to better understand what you do to better serve you. Once it's done, you can click on View Scan Results. Here you'll see 4 cards at the top. First one is website coverage, so all of the pages on your website, how are they optimized? Breaking them out distinctively. Then we have the schema opportunity, in this case 31, how much schema is missing. We also added LLM visibility score. So this is from the lens of AI search, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude. How are you doing in terms of that visibility? Also added an AI SEO opportunity, in this case the LLMS.txt. This is a file that enhances your discoverability, visibility, and essentially accuracy with an AI search. Below we have 2 sections. The first one is the pages in your website broken out with their missing schema opportunity. Here you can go and navigate through all of them. You can click on any of them and see the already generated JSON. So this is really, really awesome. And we're doing this again based on that initial crawl. So it's really accurate, very, very relevant. In the next section here we have keywords that we've identified for LLM tracking based on that scan. Continue to install, and here we'll show you the steps for adding that schema markup, and in this case also adding the LLMs.txt file to your website. Within schema markup, what you'll have to do is review the schema that we've generated for you. Of course, we don't have all the values and information for your specific business, so you might have to add that. Some will be complete and require no action, but some do require your input. So in this case, let's just add for fun $99, confirm, and then in currency, we're just going to add USD. And as you fill this out, you'll see how it hides. That means it's complete, but you would still need to do all of those. I'm not going to go through all of them right now, but you will have to do so. In this case, we're integrating with Webflow, so select Webflow from the platform, click on Connect Webflow, and this is going to automatically open up the SchemaRabbit to Webflow auth page. Here you need to select website, authorize the app, and you will be redirected to your website. Once you've made those changes and you've successfully connected Webflow to SchemaRabbit, all you really need to do is click on Publish in the top right corner. What this will do is ensure that that schema markup, that JSON that we just generated, is now live on your website. Once this is done, you can run tests to verify that has been correctly added. Of course, if you have any questions, please do reach out to support. You can then go back to your dashboard. You'll see the runs that you've just done right there.